Hey everybody, Trent here with L2L to tell you about another way we're giving you visibility and control over your maintenance performance. Muhammad Ali once said, "You can't hit what you can't see." While you may not be in a prize fight, L2L understands the hard-hitting impact of unforeseen maintenance downtime. That's why we've provided you with the Maintenance Dashboard, an easy-to-use, easy-to-read dashboard that shows you everything that's happening with your maintenance team. So what's in the Maintenance Dashboard? Let's take a look. When you pull up the Maintenance Dashboard, you'll see 6 widgets on the left with real-time data about various aspects of your maintenance operations. You can click on each of these widgets to see more detail, allowing you to make informed decisions on the fly. Let's look at spare spend. As you can see, one number jumps out at you. This relay output module seems to keep failing. What can you do? Well, for starters, you can ensure that you have enough backup supply on hand in case another failure occurs. Secondly, you can open a dispatch to get to the bottom of why that particular part keeps failing. Once you can see the problem, you can hit back with the right solution. This was just one example. No matter what your maintenance team is dealing with, the Maintenance Dashboard will give you the visibility to see the problem and solve it with a real-time, data-based approach.